Hey, Jason here with RV Depot Supercenter in Cleburne. Look at what we have here, guys. We have a 2022 Forest River Sierra. We have huge storage here. Look at this. I want to just show you how much storage this is. Look at this. Look at what we have here. Okay? Slam latch baggage doors. Okay? What this is, the new Mon-Friday steps, everybody's been wanting those. 2 entryways. This, my friend, is what everybody loves. Or at least I do. An outdoor kitchen. We're gonna put your drinks in here, your storage here, microwave here. We have even a little sink. Check it out. How cool is that? Let's take a look inside and see what we have. As you walk in the door, you come into this beautiful entry right here, okay? You got some Thomas Paine furniture. Look at that beautiful recliner. You have another place right there to sit down with your family in front of, look at here. I'm gonna point out, look at that fireplace. It's beautiful, it's warm. Look at the flat screen TV. We're gonna walk over here and look what you have. You got your LG fridge, residential fridge, I might add. Solid surface countertops. And if you take a look here, is what everybody loves. You got your see-through stove, oven, all residential style. This is a microwave. You got some storage here, more storage, more storage. I mean, what else can you have? You can have a sink, wash your dishes. Look how big that. You have something right here that you can lift up and access, have more space. That's what everybody needs. Let's take a walk into this other place right here. It's your kids' place, all right? This is your bunk room. With the bunk room, you're gonna have, again, opposing slides. Opposing slides, more room, okay? You have your bunk. This one, up and down. You have a jackknife sofa right here. Place to put the TV, okay? More storage, more storage, more storage. A little ladder. Do you need some help getting up? Another bunk. Other places you can put whatever you need, knickknacks, towels, whatever. Look in here. I want to show you this. This is what everybody wants to have, is a bath and a half, okay? That right there is easy access from the outside in. You want to stop at a rec center, at a rec area, you need to use the restroom, you got it, quick access right here, okay? This is the other thing I want to show you. As we come this way, go through your big living room here, you're gonna see something. You're gonna see some steps. You're gonna walk all the way in here to your bedroom, but before we do that, I'm gonna show you this awesome bathroom. Got some storage, got a sink. Look at that huge shower. What else do you need? As we come in here, you're gonna notice queen size bed. Then you come over here and you're gonna have a little wardrobe right here. Put whatever you need. TV. Now this is what I really want to show you right here. And everybody loves this. You have your splendid washer and dryer unit already here. And then, look at all that room. So guys, you have plenty of room in here. You have opposing slides. You have a slide out here. Nice bathroom. This RV is huge. Opposing slides, bunk room, bath and a half. I mean, if you want it, you can have it. You got 2 ACs that's ducted. Everybody's gonna be nice, warm, cozy, cool. What else do you want? This is Jason again, RV Depot Supercenter in Cleburne. I can't wait to meet you. I can't wait to help you. The number is at the bottom of the screen. Please come find me. Jason, RV Depot Supercenter in Cleburne. It's easy to find. Come check me out. Come check what we have. Let's go.